Welcome back. Let's practice multiple choice questions from NCERT school books. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the proposals offered by British Parliamentary Committee, Cabinet Mission, on May 1946? A. There should be a Union of India comprising provinces and princely states. B. The Union should have jurisdiction on foreign affairs, defense and communication. C. The Union should have an executive and a legislature consisting of representatives of provinces only. D. Provinces should be free to form groups and each group could determine the provincial subjects to be taken in common. Answer is option C. Statement C is incorrect regarding the proposals offered by the British Parliamentary Committee, Cabinet Mission, on May 1946. After the Second World War, the British government sent a committee of 3 members of the British Cabinet that was authorised to evolve a formula acceptable to prominent political parties of India. This was called the Cabinet Mission Plan. The main proposals of this mission were as follows. There should be a Union of India comprising of provincial and princely states. The Union should have jurisdiction on foreign affairs, defense and communication. Consider the following assertion, A, and reason, R, and choose the correct code. Assertion, A. The Cabinet Mission Plan envisaged the setting up an interim government. Reason, R. In the interim government, all the portfolios were to be held by Indians. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. Answer is option B. Both assertion, A, and reason, R, are true, but reason, R, is not the correct explanation of assertion, A. The Cabinet Mission envisaged the immediate setting up of an interim government in order to carry on the administration while constitution making was in progress. In the interim government, all the portfolios were to be held by Indians and the British government was. Thank you and practice more number of multiple choice questions to get good clarity on each topic.